everyone. Say, these will be uploaded daily. It'll be like fakes about each planet, like a deep dive. Say, today's Mercury, tomorrow will be Venus, next day will be Earth, then Mars, and Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune. Nay, please say it does not count, people. It is a dwarf planet. These are only the regular planets. So let's get started. I did take a few images to read off of. Right, Mercury. It has large temperature differences between day and night. Say the day of Mercury has one temperature, then nighttime has a different temperature. Alrighty, people, what is the difference? Say the difference is approximately 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit, 600 degrees Celsius between day and night. The daytime temperatures. On the side facing the sun, the side facing the sun can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 430 degrees Celsius. And the nighttime temperatures on the dark side. The daytime temperatures on the side facing the sun. Nighttime temperatures on the dark side can get up to 290 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Say we have the sun, then we have Mercury. Say it really is the closest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. That is why Pluto became a dwarf planet. It was like nothing. It was just a small planet that you could barely see. It has virtually no atmosphere. Say the sunlight hitting the planet is about 9 times intense as the sunlight on the Earth. Alright, so I'm going to go deeper into what that means, because I know that was a long section. So they're talking about Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Now, here we have the atmosphere and sunlight. The planet has no atmosphere, which means sunlight hitting its surface is about 9 times more intense than the sunlight on the Earth. The lack of atmosphere combined with its proximity to the sun results in extreme temperature and high solar radiation that make the environment not conducive to life as it is known. That didn't make sense to me, so I was just reading from an article. So what does the surface of Mercury is similar to that of the Moon? What does that mean? So Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. The surface is similar to the Moon's surface, and the sun makes Mercury difficult to observe with the unaided eye, the proximity to the sun. Alrighty, well, I think I read everything on this page. Alrighty, now we have our next page. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system with a diameter of 4,879 kilometers. After the Earth, Mercury is the second densest planet. Alright, so let me go into in more detail of after the Earth, Mercury is the second densest planet. So that means that Mercury has the highest density of all the planets in our solar system. Density is how much mass is packed into a certain amount of space. A dense object is very heavy, and a less dense object is lighter for the same size. And why is Mercury the second densest planet? Because it has a very large metallic core that is relative to its overall size. It is about 75% to the Earth's diameter, which is made of iron, heavy materials like that. That's all the detail that I'm going to get into. A year on Mercury is 88 days. So if you want to, you could count like this is day 76, day 77, day 88. Day 70, day 78, day 79, day 80, but that would take very long. Because that would be a whole year on Mercury. You can count the year. But a day on Mercury is 176 Earth days. Now, I'm not going to get into deep detail of that one, because that one just involves counting. Mercury has no moons or rings. So there are no moons on Mercury. And you know how Saturn has rings around it? Do you see any rings around Mercury? I do not. Do you? I do not. So Mercury has no rings around it. It is not Saturn. Mercury just has 38% of the gravity compared to Earth. So let me get into detail of what that last one means. So the gravity on Mercury is less than the gravity on Earth, is what they're trying to say. It means that the force of gravity pulling objects towards Mercury is only about 38% as strong as Earth's force. Because Mercury has a smaller mass, and an object's weight on Mercury would be less than the object's weight on Earth. Alright, well, that was just a bit of information. Tomorrow's episode will be about Venus, and it will be out tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next episode. Bye, people. I hope you learned some stuff, and happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving.